Senator Legarda na high blood dahil sa 138 million budget para sa anniversary ng PhilHealth. Ano ba naman tong mga PhilHealth officials walang pakandangan gumastos ng pondo ng PhilHealth, samantalang napaka-babang reimbursement ang makukuha ng members kapag nagkasakit.
Initial proposal ay 138 billion proposal.
Initial.
Para saan yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Anong gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang anibersaryo nyo?
We are only planning to spend a few 100,000 pesos for 30th anniversary. Yan lang po, wala pong mga excessive spending
So, ibig
po.
sabihin,
Just to simplify the discussion.
Projected pa lang ito.
Actually, may mga proposal,
Proposal.
but
Sandali,
we've
sandali.
Hindi pa natutuloy.
So good.
Hindi
Thank you for asking that.
Hindi pa natutuloy.
You're spending a few hundreds of thousands, but we see on the board, it is not consistent with what the CEO is saying. It's 137.7 million. What is this? An invention? A proposal of some brilliant person? Buti na lang, merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala night. Gala night. And Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase na ito. Who's the smart person who gave this?
Mr. Chair, this was endorsed by a group inside PhilHealth.
Sino yung grupo? You have to name the group because you have to enlighten that group. Kung hindi po dinis-approve ng board ito at hindi kami nanunood sa inyo, walang oversight function ang Senado, ang Congress, you could have because you're a GOCC. We don't watch you every day.
Mr. Chair, Madam,
Brilliant na nagbigay nito.
we have an anniversary committee.
Sino po ang head ng anniversary committee?
The anniversary committee po is headed by Mr. Ray Balenya po.
Can that person, please, not now, don't waste our time, give a memo to the chair of the finance committee, of the health committee, on why the person and the group thought of using 137 million of PhilHealth funds for giveaways and a gala night.
We will submit, Your Honor. We will submit it within the day to Congress. No?
A sports meet
2 years to the
for
Senate.
32 million and a gala night with PROs, I hope it's at GROs, at 13 million. And a gala night with HOs for another 4 million, blah, blah, blah. And, okay. And umbrellas for 7.9 million? What's this? Special tokens and umbrellas?
Senator Lauren,
Ma'am, to
may lang
simplify
po,
the
no?
discussion, all of those.
Kaya nga, projected o plano nyo lang po, kaya tanong ko lang naman po sa inyo kanina pa, kung sakaling natuloy po ito, ilang pasyente po ang makikinabang dito? Ilang pasyente po ang naghihingalo na matutulungan dito? Ilang buhay pa po ang masasalbar dito?
Yes po.
Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito sa ating panggobyerno, parati isipin natin, konsensya.